Are you a nurse, doctor, or healthcare worker dreaming of working in the UK's National Health Service, the NHS? Whether you are in Africa, Asia, the Middle East, or already in the UK, this video is your complete step-by-step guide to landing an NHS job in 2025. I'll walk you through sponsorship, visa requirements, salary thresholds, the application process, and the latest policy changes you need to know. So stay with me, this could change your life. The UK has long relied on international healthcare professionals to support its NHS system. But in 2025, new immigration rules, visa fees, and sponsorship updates have changed the landscape. Some roles have been restricted, others are still in high demand. If you are confused about whether you qualify or how to apply, this video is your roadmap. Let's get into it. NHS jobs for overseas applicants are made possible through a system called sponsorship under the Health and Care Worker Visa, which is part of the UK Skilled Worker Route. To be sponsored, an NHS employer must offer you a job and issue you a Certificate of Sponsorship or COS. This is an official digital document with a unique number that you will use when applying for your visa. Only licensed NHS employers can issue this, so always verify your employer is listed on the UK Government Sponsor Register. So what kind of jobs qualify for sponsorship in the NHS? Doctors in all specialties, including junior doctors, nurses, general and specialists, midwives, allied health professionals such as physiotherapists, occupational therapists, radiographers, paramedics, and biomedical scientists. Some support roles if they meet salary thresholds, but more on that later. Also, most administrative and IT jobs do not qualify unless they fall into niche roles that meet specific shortage or skills needs. To qualify for the Health and Care Worker Visa in 2025, here is what you will need. 1. A confirmed NHS job offer. 2. A valid Certificate of Sponsorship, COS. 3. English language proficiency, usually IELTS or OAT. 4. Proof of your qualifications. For regulated roles, you will need NMT, GMC or HCPC registration or eligibility. 5. A clear police certificate and sometimes a TB test if you are from a high-risk country. 6. Funds to support yourself temporarily unless your sponsor confirms maintenance. The good news, the immigration health such as NHS is waived for healthcare workers, saving you over £600 per year. One of the biggest changes in 2025 is the new salary requirements. For jobs on NHS pay scales like nurses and junior doctors, the new minimum salary is £25,000. If your role isn't on those pay bands, the general skilled worker threshold is £29,000. Okay, so specialist or senior level roles may need to meet even higher salary levels like £38,700. This means that some band 3 roles like healthcare assistants may no longer qualify unless paid at the upper end of the scale. Always double check the pay band and full salary offer before proceeding. Before I proceed to tell you about the step-by-step NHS application process, if you are coming across the channel for the very first time, my name is Peace, On this channel, I share everything relocation on how you can live and work abroad, okay? So please feel free to hit the subscribe button and join the family. On your notification bell, check it when I post new videos, and please thumbs up, give this video a like so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience. Drop a thoughtful comment in the comment section, share to your family and friends. You don't know who might need this, okay? And I'll definitely see you in my other video, okay? So let's head into the next step, which is the step-by-step NHS application process, okay? I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, okay? So number one, you have to search for NHS jobs on websites like www.jobs.nhs.uk. I'll be dropping the link in my video and also in my description, or through individual trust career portals. 2. Apply directly. Submit your CV, personal statements, and references. If you are shortlisted, you have to attend an online interview. 4. You receive a job offer and your employer will request your COS. Note that you are not allowed to pay for COS, okay? Only your employer, the employer that are licensed, are able to pay for COS, okay? Do not fall victim of scammers, okay? Do not take job offers from WhatsApp. Do not take job offers on the line, okay? If they always go and verify licensed sponsors on the government website, okay? I've dropped this link before in my previous videos, all right? Once you receive your certificate of sponsorship, apply online for the health and care worker visa. 6. Book a biometrics appointment and submit your documents. 7. Within around 3 weeks or less, you will receive your visa decision. 8. Pack your bags and travel to the UK. Upon arrival, complete your right to work check and then you start your NHS journey. You will want to note this point down for easy application, okay? Note this point down, write it down in your book, or if you are interested in coming through the NHS route, you can save this video so you can always come back to this video as a guide, alright? If you are already in the UK on a health and care visa, you can switch employers, but your new employer must, the keyword there is must, issue a new COS. Very importantly, you must apply for the new visa before your current one expires, but you can start working as soon as you've applied, even before a decision is made, okay? Also, you can bring dependents. Yes, your spouse and your children, they'll all be on your visa and they can work or study in the UK. There have been significant fees increases. The certificate of sponsorship now costs £525. It was £239 before. Visa application fees have gone up by 7%. That's about £620 for a 3-year visa. Most NHS employers cover the COS fee and may even reimburse some visa costs, but not always, okay? Make sure to clarify this in your job offer or employment contract. The TB test, if required, costs around £60 to £150 depending on your country, okay? When I did mine like 7 years ago, it was 100,000. I don't know about now, okay? So you can check it out for yourself, okay? 100,000 naira as at 7 years ago, okay? In 2025, the UK government has cracked down on social care recruitment. If you are looking for a care assistant role, especially outside the NHS, be aware that new rules prevent fresh overseas recruitment unless employers can prove no one in the UK is available. However, this does not affect roles inside the NHS. Nurses, doctors, and many AHPs are still eligible for sponsorship. Always check whether the role is part of the NHS and whether your employer is a licensed sponsor, okay? A few quick tips to protect yourself. Disclaimer: I am not in any way affiliated to NHS, okay? After making my own intensive research, this information on this channel is accurate and it's for educational purposes, but always feel free to make your own findings as well, okay? Avoid agents who charge huge fees or promise jobs with fake COS. There have been a lot of hunts down of fake COS employers. Please beware of this, okay? Always confirm your NHS job offer directly with the trust. Don't accept a role with below threshold salary. It could invalidate your visa. Read your offer letter and contract carefully. Look out for hidden relocation or repayment clauses. Stay safe, informed, and use trusted channels, okay? So there you have it, guys, your full 2025 guide to getting an NHS job from outside the UK. Today's video, you've learned about sponsorship, visa rules, the COS process, salary thresholds, and application tips. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share with friends who are applying, and subscribe for more visa, healthcare career, and UK live videos. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Let me know what else you want me to do a video about, and I'll obviously make my research and release a video in due time. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your NHS journey. I'll be dropping all the supporting links in my YouTube description. Make sure you check this out, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.